dive right into it, guys. So guys, welcome to this weird channel that me and Britt just decided to make in the car. We're going to ask really deep, intimate questions and we have to give our honest opinion on it. Obviously we're going to get loads of hate for this, but you know who gives it no? Me!
Do you think that humans as a species have gotten better through the generations or worse?
Worse.
Why?
I personally think that our generation's completely up by social media, like hugely. Yeah, I think the generations got worse. I would love to have been born like way back in the day and like wear cute dresses and been taken out on like really cute dates. And
To go left.
I know, but I'm not going that way because I'm just going to turn around. I would have liked to have been born in like the 60s.
Really?
Yeah, but like when phones weren't really around. Cause I love my phone, yeah. Like, I'm obsessed with my phone, my computer, my cameras. Like I love technology, but if it was taken away from me and I never had a taster of it ever, I think I'd be a much better person. Because I deleted Instagram for like 2 weeks and it was unreal.
That social media is messing with us because like now, like what it used to be that like kids used to play like outside and then
When we were little, me and you, we used to play in the sea all day.
yeah, because we met at the beach.
Yeah.
Like now, when a guy is going to a girl, it's like through Facebook, like hello. And I'd love to live in a world where it's just like you're in a bar and a guy comes up to you and he's like hello. And I'm like, oh hello. And then you just talk instead of Instagram and everything. And then you're judged by your Instagram and by the amount of followers. And then you do hashtags so that people see you. But then image is like the most important thing in the world. Although
It's not at the same time.
no, if you could ask a single person one question and they had to answer truthfully, who and what would you ask?
Super hard. What would you ask?
First thing that came up to my mind was like just ask my parents for the history. Like just the full story of like their life with my life. Because like my parents are divorced, so I have like both versions. Just know the history, you know?
Yeah, the real
It's
history.
like really weird.
I don't know. I think I'd like to know if my ex-boyfriend cheated on me. But like, I don't give a shit. Like, I'd love to know
Okay.
if it was true or not.
You sacrifice yourself for a stranger.
More important. Right?
Oh.
It's so true though. I want to live forever.
What if the stranger was a child?
Oh my god, that's so hard. If it was a child, an old person, or a dog, I'd sacrifice myself.
A dog!
What? Dogs are well cute.
I would sacrifice myself
Yeah.
for someone who's younger than me.
Yeah.
Because I will have like lived the years that that person would not be able to
Yeah,
live.
say you were like 50 and there was a 2-year-old, I'd sacrifice myself for them.
yeah.
But if I was like 19, 20, and then I was sacrificing myself for another 19-year-old, I wouldn't do that.
What's the most memorable lesson you've learned from your parents?
Oh my god. Don't get divorced.
Okay. Mine is don't get into an ice cream truck. I always remember that my dad always said like if someone wants to give you an ice cream or a lollipop and you don't know the person, you do not take it and you don't go near the van because you'll be kidnapped. It's so weird.
Don't talk to strangers.
Yeah, basically that. Basically that.
There's
Yeah.
loads of police up there.
Next question. What was the greatest day of your life?
What's the greatest day of your life?
It might sound really cheesy, but
Meeting Jess.
yeah. Yeah. Meeting my boyfriend.
What was the best day of my life?
Boyfriend watches this and be like, okay.
No, obviously, but it's different because me and Max knew each other for years.
Oh, okay.
I've just had too many good days to like remember the best day of my life. Do you know what I mean?
Okay. You know what?
Oh my god, I know it. So, when me and Max were travelling,
Yeah.
we were driving up and down this road in towards Lille. I think it was the A2 or the A1. And we'd been watching this YouTuber, Oggy Austin, and he'd basically visited this house near Lille, and it was abandoned, and me and Max were desperate to find it. And we were going up and down this motorway, and we paid so much in tolls, and after like 2 hours of driving up and down this road, we found it. And I was so happy, and we went in and oh, it was so good. We were both just over the moon. Oh, it was freaking unreal. That was probably probably one of the best days that I've ever had.
Okay.
But obviously I've had thousands, so it's pretty hard to choose. But like off the top of my head, that's probably one of the best.
Okay. Frank, you're gonna hate the next question.
Okay.
What are you most proud of?
Going to uni.
Really?
Yeah. Because I never thought I'd go.
Why?
Because my mum always thought Billy would go and I wouldn't. And I was so against going to uni. And then I applied, went to the uni, went and saw it, and then went, and now I'm graduating. That's freaking nuts. Yours should be coming to England. Like, it's a big old thing to do, like, considering you're like 19.
If you had to get a tattoo right now,
Yeah?
what would it be? Like, right now.
Okay, so I really want to get, oh, friggin' hell.
Yeah, but you've been thinking about it.
I always think about toes. When am I not thinking about toes? I really want to get a lion on my finger, like Cara Delevingne. Have you seen it?
No.
I really like it, but I would
Lion or
a lion, like a lion on my finger.
On your finger?
On my finger. Well, Cara Delevingne's got it. It looks really good. I probably would not get it just because it's so like. But like, I do like it. But like, I don't think I'd get anything right now. Like, I've got nothing that I genuinely want right now. You know?
Okay. A rose.
Oh, cute. I like that. To represent.
Like somewhere between here and here.
Like on the side of the wrist would be really cute. Oh my god, Alexis Wren's got a rose on her ribs and it looks so nice.
Yeah, I really want a thing on my, or like a little phrase here.
That's cute. I like them when they're here.
Yeah, that's nice. The one thing you cannot live without, your dog.
Oh my god, my dog.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew it.
My dog and Charlie, you know Max's dog Charlie?
Yeah.
I couldn't live without him. I couldn't,
Really?
I'd really struggle. He's
Why?
He's the best. He's the best dog. Like, I love him so much. Charlie and my dog and my mum. I think I'd die without my mum. Like, I would genuinely starve. What could you live without? I feel like your sister.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
I
your
love my
dad.
sister. She's like my best friend. Like we've already talked about, like if we get married, we'll be our maids of honor.
Aww.
Because like we're like best friends. She's 28, but we're 27. But we're really close.
That's so cute.
Do you trust anyone with your life?
Yeah. How many people do you trust with your life?
Like, has anyone earned that position in their life?
Yeah.
That you trust them with your own life. Like they have your life in their hand.
Yeah.
Who?
My mum, my dad, my brother, my boyfriend, my granddad.
Really?
Mhm.
Same, my sister and my dad.
That's cute.
They're like.
Yeah, my brother
And Jesse.
and Jess. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you believe in true love?
Fuck yeah. Do you?
Depends. I believe in it, but like there is someone who told me about that we are all made to cheat.
Do you think?
Because okay, no, well, I don't know. Because
I
like
personally think everyone gets distracted.
yeah, that like when you're in the street and you see a stranger, like us girls for example, when he's cute or she's cute, you're like, ooh, what would the kids look like? Like some girls are like that, you know?
I don't do that.
Or like, yeah, me neither, but some girls do apparently. So we're not attracted to one person our entire life. We are attracted to other people as well.
It's just because people are good looking though.
Yeah, but then you are attracted to them.
You just look and you're like, oh, you're hot. Or you're good looking. You
yeah,
have nice
but
eyes.
some people are like, oh, you're hot, let's go upstairs.
Yeah, I don't think like that.
Same. I don't cheat. Like I personally hate cheating. I'm like, why don't you just break up and
Then do it.
yeah, then you do.
But you can't have your cake and eat it. You can't have your cake and then eat it.
Huh?
Do you know what that means?
No.
So you can't have your cake and eat it. It means you can't have one person and then have another person at the same time. Like you can't do two things at once and think it's okay.
If you had the option to know the date and circumstance of your death, would you? Yes, definitely. Then I would absolutely live my life to the absolute fullest until that day. If they say that I die at my 30s, I'll stop everything right now and I'll do my bucket list. I'll get married. I'll have like I will want kids, but I don't want it for them. And then on my 30th or something, for that circumstance, I will try everything not to die. Because like that's the future. If you wouldn't have known that that was the future, what if you would have known the future? Then that would not be the circumstance of your death?
I don't think I'd want to know.
Why?
Because, like, death scares me.
What's your favorite thing about yourself? I hate myself.
Nothing. Let's do one of each. You go first. Feature and personality.
Favorite thing about myself is
Feature-wise.
What do you mean?
Like facial, body.
My eyes. No, my eyes, definitely.
Or her ass.
Yeah.
And your personality?
That I am not scared to talk to strangers, and that I'm willing to do anything for strangers, like
That's
to
so
help them.
cute. I could
Not
talk to
alone.
strangers. I find it really hard. My favourite feature is probably my lips,
Like massive lips.
because they're big and everyone always asks me if I get them done, but I don't. Which is personality trait, I would say, is that I'm very loyal.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. More quick.
What's something you enjoy doing that you never get tired of? Sex. No.
Oh my god. Eating.
Okay, yeah. Drinking. Party.
Okay, well thanks for watching this video.
Bye.
We're gonna go now because we have things to do, and if you want to see another one of these chat with the bitches videos, then let me know and I will make another one soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Little blonde girls. Ah. Okay.